Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Jai Gauri Shankar. Story of Shukra Pradosh Vrat. Story of Dhanika's son to bring his wife during Shukrast. Suji said, "It is a story of ancient times that three friends lived in a city. There was a very close relationship between the three friends. Among those friends, one was a prince, the second was a Brahman's son, and the third was a rich man's son. The prince and the Brahman's son were married, and the rich man's son was married, but the Gauna ceremony had not taken place. One day, the three friends were discussing about women. The Brahman's son, praising women, said, 'It is the woman who makes a house into a home, and a house without a woman is the abode of ghosts.' The rich man's son found the Brahman's son's words appropriate, and he immediately decided to send off his wife. He reached home and told his decision to his parents. His parents said, 'Currently, Venus is setting. It is not auspicious to send off daughters-in-law and daughters during this time. So send off your wife and bring your wife to home after Venus rises.' Despite repeated persuasion by his parents, the rich son did not give up his stubbornness and went to his in-laws' house to take his wife. At his in-laws' place, his parents-in-law also requested him to send off their daughter after the sunrise. But he did not listen to anyone and remained firm on his decision. Finally, compelled by the stubbornness of his son-in-law, they sent off the daughter with him. After leaving their in-laws' house, the husband and the wife had just left the city limits when suddenly the wheel of their bullock cart broke and one of the bullock's legs broke. Due to this accident, both of them fell down and his wife was also seriously injured. Even after this incident, the rich man's son continued to travel with his wife. He had just moved a little further when a group of robbers surrounded them on the way and looted all their wealth and grains, etc. After the looting, the rich man's son reached his home with his wife, weeping. As soon as he reached home, he was bitten by a snake. His father called the best doctors for the treatment of his son. The doctors observed his son's condition and said, 'He will die in the next 3 days.' At the same time, the Brahman's son got the news of this incident. He said to the rich man, 'You send your son back to his daughter-in-law's house along with his wife and resolve to observe the fast of Shukra Pradosh. All these obstacles have arisen because your son has sent off his wife at the time of Shukrast. That is, he had asked his wife to come to his home during Shukrast. If he reaches there, his life will be saved.' Dhanik found the advice of the Brahman's son to be appropriate and he sent his son and daughter-in-law back. As soon as he reached his in-laws' house, Dhanik's son's condition started improving. Thereafter, by the grace of Lord Shiva, both the husband and wife spent the rest of their lives happily and finally attained the best world. The method of worship of Friday Trodashi Pradosh fast is similar to that of Som Pradosh. In this fast, white color and food items like kheer, etc. are consumed. Shri Shukra Pradosh fast story is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Jai Gauri Shankar.